Hi everyone. Emotional freedom technique, also commonly known as tapping, is the method that I'm doing. I hope you all enjoy this. Tapping is based off of the technique called acupuncture. As most of you may know, acupuncture uses needles. The one thing with tapping is that it uses your fingertips. Generally, your pointer finger and your middle finger are used. This method could help someone ease their mind and focus on the present moment. In this video, you will notice that there are 9 tapping points used throughout. And there's also another thing to include is that there are 14 meridians. If you don't know, a meridian is a set of points in the body where energy is known to flow to. There are more meridians and tapping points due to the simple fact that at points that you're tapping, there are places that meet. So you tap on the side, so there's a meridian above and below essentially. So you're tapping at one area where those kind of meet in a sense. Those who benefit from this often have depression, anxiety, stress, chronic pain, post-traumatic stress disorder, or have suffered some kind of trauma at some point in their life. So I think this would be a great technique to use for somebody who, let's say, has insomnia and anxiety after their basement was broken into during the night and they were woken up by cops coming to their home. This individual is someone who finds himself not being able to go to sleep tonight due to the traumatic event that has happened. The first thing you'll do is a setup statement. The setup statement for this situation will be, even though I can't sleep at night. The rating for this, I would give a 7, because not sleeping at night can be extremely harmful to the body. An individual that does not get enough sleep at night can oftentimes get confused, have delirium, and just not have good body function in general. Sleep is extremely important, and to allot time for it is even more important in your schedule. I know life gets away from all of us, and we're just so busy, and we look at the clock and then we're only going to have an hour or two to sleep in, but it is very important to sleep. So we'll start off here by tapping on the side of the hand, just like this, and you'll begin stating things throughout the video to get me to focus and be able to get a good night's sleep. So for somebody with insomnia, doing this prior to bedtime would be recommended. Even though I can't sleep at night, I accept the way I am. I begin to panic often when I'm laying in bed, in the dark, no TV, no noise of any sorts on. Even though I can't sleep at night, it's time to put this day to rest. I need to focus on the present time and what is happening now. It is important to forget about what happened today. Even though I can't sleep at night, tomorrow will be a new day and a new beginning to focus on. Even though I can't sleep at night, I constantly am checking the clock and even counting sheep. When counting sheep, I can't even begin to focus on sleep. It seems to distract me even more. Even though I can't sleep at night, my cortisol levels are heightened extremely and causing me to stay awake. Even though I can't sleep at night, I choose to quiet my mind and body. Perhaps putting on some music would even help, something to deter any little noise from keeping me awake. Even though I can't sleep at night, I remember to breathe and let go of what might be happening. Even though I can't sleep at night, I remember that I have family nearby if I ever need anything, any time of night. So that was just one whole round of it, so from now you'll just continue on. You'll start off at the hand again and keep stating things that remind you of anything. Even though I can't sleep at night, I can talk to my doctor about this if it really gets to be a major problem. Sleep is very important. I work 12-hour shifts 3 days a week generally. Even though it is only 3 days, it is still important for me to get enough sleep. Even though sleep is for the weak, they say, that is not always true. I need to sleep as much as I possibly can. Even though I can't sleep at night, I have tried all different kinds of comforters, even heavy ones that they say make you feel better, but that just does not help at all. I need to forget about what happened today and focus on now and put myself in a sleep mode. Even though I can't sleep at night, I toss and turn, day in and day out. Every night I go to sleep, I tell myself, tonight's the night, you'll sleep like a rock. Even though I can't sleep at night, I try to tell myself that nothing is wrong and I need to take deep breaths in my nose and out my mouth. Thank you all for watching. If anybody has any questions, please reach out to me. This method is to be continued as long as you feel like you need to be tapping and stating anything in regards to the situation that is on your mind. This technique is very helpful. It puts you in a very safe zone and focus zone and gets you in a mode to accomplish whatever it is. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to watching everybody else's videos this week. Thanks.